be disassembling the front end as well as fixing a crack in the wishbone that was found during the disassembly process later in the video. If you guys are enjoying the content, feel free to like and give us a follow. Thanks. Hope you guys enjoy.